Forex for Beginners family, my name is Joshua. I'm from Nigeria. I really want to thank Sadi Ali for creating the Forex Beginner Academy. I came across its post on YouTube when I was looking for how to draw a support line, and since then I've been in love with his channel. I've learned so much. I've learned how to draw support, resistance, the Fibonacci, retracement. I have really gained from his group, his posts, and I would really like you guys to check him out. If you are a newbie like me and you're just going into the Forex, you want to learn, you want to start your Forex journey, just go and check him out on Instagram at Forex Academy, and his private group on Facebook. I have really gained from him so lot, and I can't really start telling you guys how much his tutorials, his teaching has really helped me. His teaching are very simple, very easy to comprehend, very easy to learn, and I like the way he takes his time to actually explain. And one thing I really appreciate about him is that I started this journey like taking his free courses on YouTube like 2 months ago. I saw the student link, the private student link on Facebook. I just registered. I even thought that he might not respond, but the way he responded, I was really shocked and I was really amazed. So if you guys want to go into your Forex journey, this is one platform I would recommend for you: Forex Beginner Academy on YouTube, and you could join his private group. His private group on Facebook. So far so good. I've been able to make trade with over 20 to 30 pips, and not just making trades over 20 to 30 pips. I've been able to stay on the trade without fear. Before I actually visited his YouTube channel, I was a scalper. I just go on, probably get 3 pips, and I'll even be scared. I mean, most times I just cash out. But now I've been able to learn the trend, understand the market structure, hold my position for a longer time without fear. I really want to appreciate Sadi Ali for the opportunity he has given to us, and to know that this thing is totally free, 100% free. I'm so really happy. So far so good. I've actually told most of my friends here in Nigeria that this should be their #1 channel if you really want to learn Forex and if you really want to be good at it. Thank you so much, and we love you from Nigeria.